Have you ever thought about how technology is influencing the financial industry? Every day we see changes in how we handle our money, conduct transactions, and invest. ChatGPT is one of the most fascinating new financial inventions. But what exactly is ChatGPT, and how is it changing the world of fintech? That is what we will look at today. ChatGPT is an advanced AI model that has been trained to understand and generate text in the style of a human. This technology is changing the way individuals interact with their money by making it more convenient, efficient, and personalized. Let's look at the advantages of using ChatGPT into fintech. To begin with, ChatGPT provides 24-hour access to financial information and support. There will be no more huge lineups at banks or having to wait until business hours to speak with a financial counselor. You may obtain rapid and accurate answers to your financial inquiries with ChatGPT at any time of the day, from your phone or computer. ChatGPT's ability to provide personalized advice and recommendations is another benefit in fintech. ChatGPT analyzes your financial condition and recommends personalized solutions based on your goals and preferences using advanced AI algorithms. This kind of personalization was previously only available to the rich, but with ChatGPT, it is now open to everyone. But that's not all. ChatGPT can assist you in making financial management easier and more efficient. ChatGPT's natural language processing skills allow it to automate common financial processes like bill payments and budget tracking, freeing up your time and lowering the chance of human error. ChatGPT integration with fintech is having a significant impact on the financial industry, resulting in more competitiveness and innovation. Traditional financial institutions, such as banks and investment firms, are now competing with fintech businesses that use ChatGPT to provide more convenient and personalized financial services to consumers. Furthermore, the employment of ChatGPT in fintech is assisting in leveling the playing field for customers. Individuals can use ChatGPT to gain access to the same level of financial expertise and services as the wealthy, allowing them to make better financial decisions and achieve their financial objectives. The emergence of ChatGPT in fintech is also resulting in new industry advancements. Fintech businesses may focus on building innovative new products and services that will further revolutionize the way we handle our finances by leveraging ChatGPT to automate regular operations. However, integrating ChatGPT into fintech is only the beginning of what is achievable. We may expect even more sophisticated and advanced AI-powered financial services in the future, making money management increasingly easier and more convenient. The establishment of virtual financial advisors is one intriguing possible application of ChatGPT in fintech. ChatGPT, like a human financial advisor, can provide individualized financial advice and suggestions, since it understands and responds to human language. As we continue to investigate the advantages of integrating ChatGPT into fintech, we must also address the potential obstacles and roadblocks that may occur. The problem of security and privacy is one such challenge. The financial industry is responsible for protecting their clients' data and personal information, and any new technology that is introduced must match these high requirements. Another problem is ensuring that the integration is smooth. The financial industry has a complicated system, and any new technology must integrate easily without causing interruptions. To achieve a smooth transition for both customers and financial institutions, careful preparation and execution are required. Despite these obstacles, the benefits of integrating ChatGPT into fintech are too tempting to ignore. ChatGPT has the potential to transform the way we manage our finances by providing individualized financial advice and recommendations, as well as automating financial operations. This technology has the potential to make financial management more accessible and efficient, allowing consumers to better manage their financial destiny. It will be fascinating to see how ChatGPT continues to shape the future of fintech. It is obvious that the integration of this technology will have a big impact on the financial industry, with the potential for higher efficiency and improved client experience. ChatGPT is ready to change the way we manage our finances, whether by automating repetitive tasks, delivering individualized financial advice, or optimizing the financial management process, which is why we strongly advise you to watch the video on the screen on how ChatGPT is shaping the future of personal finance management. Don't miss out on the chance to remain ahead of the trend and be among the first to embrace this cutting-edge technology.